Hello everyone, this is Matthew, from I Love Free Software TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add location stickers to your snaps. The location tagging stickers are new and basically, allow you to tag a nearby location in your snap. Here's how to use them. First, update your Snapchat app to the latest version and launch it. After that, click a snap and open the sticker drawer. In the stickers drawer, tap location and scroll through the list of nearby locations that Snapchat finds. Tap the location you want to add and it will be added to your snap. If you want to change the sticker style, you can do that by tapping on it. You can also move it wherever you like and pinch to resize and rotate it. Now you can send the snap to a friend or post it your story. When you add a location sticker to a snap, your friends can swipe up to see more info about that place. That's it guys, this is how you can add location stickers to your snaps. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe us for more.